So let's read the question. In the given figure over here, AC is equal to AE, AB is equal to AD, and angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. Based on this, we have to show that BC is equal to DE. Now, what I've observed is the moment students look at this figure, they're like, it's a very difficult problem, leave it. No, it's a very, very easy problem, right? Don't get scared by the figure. I'll explain to you how to do it. See, what is the first step? The first step is always mark what is given to you. So what all is given to us? AC is equal to AE, AB is equal to AD, and these two angles are equal. So let's mark AC is equal to AE. So AC is equal to AE. Next, AB is equal to AD. So AB is equal to AD. Angle BAD is equal to angle EAC, this angle over here. So I repeat, the first step is always mark what is given to you, right? So I have AB is equal to AD, AC is equal to AE, and these two angles are equal, right? Now what do we have to show? We have to show that BC. So we have to show BC is equal to DE. So we have to show BC is equal to DE. So this is what we have to show, right? So now how do I think? How do I come to know? How do I show this? See, whenever you want to show two sides as equal or two angles as equal, what does that mean? That means basically we have to show that the triangles which have these as the sides are congruent. I repeat, see, I want to show these two sides as equal. The only way by which I can show this is that if I show the sides having these triangles as congruent, the two sides will automatically be equal. I repeat, whenever we have two congruent triangles, all the three corresponding sides are equal, right? Same thing over here. So first step is identify the triangles which have BC and D as the side. So which is the triangle which has BC as its sides? Triangle ABC. So I'll highlight it. So we have triangle ABC. So triangle ABC is a triangle which has BC as its side. Similarly, identify a triangle which has D as its side. So triangle ADE. So this red triangle over here is triangle ADE. So now all we have to do is just show these two triangles are congruent. That is the blue triangle over here, triangle ABC, is congruent to the red triangle, triangle AD. I repeat, all we have to do is show these two triangles are congruent. The moment these two triangles are congruent, automatically BC will be equal to DE. So that is the thought process. Remember, whenever you want to show two sides as equal or two angles as equal, that means basically identify the triangles which have those as the parts and prove them to be congruent. So now, how do I prove triangle ABC is congruent triangle AD? Now, what comes in use? The things which are given to us. So I'll begin. In triangle ABC, right? So sorry, first of all, write down what is given to us. So what is given to us? AC is equal to AE, AB is equal to AD, and angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. So do write down what is given to you. So I'll write in bracket over here, given. So now let's begin. Let's take these two triangles. That is in triangle ABC and triangle ADE. So what do I know? First of all, AC is equal to AE. So AC is part of the blue triangle, A is part of the red triangle. So these two sides are equal. So AC is equal to AE, write it down. Next, what is given to me? AB is equal to AD. AB is part of the blue triangle, AD is part of the red triangle. So again, another corresponding pair of sides. I repeat, AB is part of triangle ABC, AD is part of triangle ADC. So AB is equal to AD. So what do we have so far? Two corresponding sides are equal. So in two triangles, if two corresponding sides are equal, what else do we need? Remember SAS condition. I repeat, two corresponding sides are equal. So what is required? Included angle. If I can get the included angle to be equal, the two triangles are congruent. So identify the included angle. So see, in the blue triangle, what is the included angle? This over here. See, AB and AC are the corresponding sides which are equal. So what is the included angle between AB and AC? This angle over here. Similarly, for the red triangle, which two sides are equal? This and this. That is, these two are corresponding to this. So what is the included angle for these two sides? This over here. So I have to show this entire angle is equal to this entire angle. Why? Included angle. I repeat, for these two corresponding sides in the blue triangle, which is the included angle, this over here. In the red triangle, for these two corresponding sides, which is the included angle, this over here. So I have to show these two angles to be equal. So if you notice, what is this entire angle? It is this angle plus this angle. I repeat, what is this entire angle? It is this angle plus this angle. So what I'll say is, right, similarly, what is this angle? It is this angle plus this angle. So see, what is angle? What is this angle? Angle BAC. So I'll say over here, angle BAC is equal to, what is this angle over here? Angle BAD plus this small angle over here, that is angle DAC. Correct? I repeat, what is this entire angle? This angle plus this angle. Similarly, what is this angle? Angle DAE. So angle DAE is equal to this angle, that is angle EAC. So angle EAC plus again this small angle, that is angle DAC. I repeat once again, this is very important. See, what is this entire angle? This angle plus this angle. What is this entire angle? This angle plus this angle. Now I want you to compare these two equations. Look at the right hand side. Angle DAC is equal to angle DAC. Now angle BAD is equal to angle EAC over here. So these two are also equal. So basically right hand side of both the equations are equal. See, these two are the same terms, so they're equal. What about angle BAD and angle EAC? It's already equal. So these two are equal. Angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. So these two are equal, these two are equal. So the right hand side of both the equations are same. So whenever the right hand side is the same, that means the left hand side is also the same. So you can write over here, since angle BAD is equal to angle EAC, why? It is given to us over here. So here also given, here also given. So basically angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. So I can rewrite this as angle BAC. So basically angle BAC is equal to angle DAE. In case it is still not clear, I'll rewrite the equation. That is, I'll rewrite the second equation again. Angle DAE is equal to angle EAC is equal to angle BAD. So instead of angle EAC, I'll write angle BAD. So angle BAD plus angle DAC. I repeat, see, angle EAC is equal to angle BAD. So I can replace this angle with angle BAD. Now compare these two equations. Let's say I call this equation 3. I want you to compare equation number 1 with equation number 3. DAC, DAC, same. BAD, BAD, same. So basically right hand side of both these equations are the same. So whenever right hand side is the same, left hand side has to be the same. So this implies angle BAC is equal to angle DA, which is exactly what we wanted. So the included angle over here is equal to the included angle over there. I repeat, this is exactly what we wanted. The included angle over here is equal to included angle over here. So now what do we have? Two corresponding sides are equal and the included angle is also equal. So by SAS criteria, the two triangles are congruent. So this implies which two triangles are congruent? Now get the congruence statement. So let's say we begin with this side over here, AB and AD. So triangle AB is congruent to triangle AD, right? Now see, AB is equal to AD. So write down 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, I want AC should be equal to AE. So if I put a C over here and a E over here, let's check. What is AC? First and third letter. This will correspond to first and third letter here. That is A. So AB is equal to AD. AC is equal to AE. Next, the angle should be equal. So angle A over here should be equal to angle A over here. First letter corresponds to first letter. So angle A is equal to angle A. That means this over here is the congruence statement. What is the criteria used? SAS congruence rule. Let's say you're still not clear how I got the congruence statement. Simple. Choose any one of these sides. I chose this side. So write triangle AB is congruent to triangle AD. Now what remains? C remains over here. Put a C over here. What remains? E over here. Now just check if all the three conditions are met or not. How do we check? Get the side corresponding to AB. What is AB over here? First two letters. So first two letters will correspond to first two letters. So from this statement I'm getting AB is equal to AD. Check. Next, get the side corresponding to AC. AC is first and third letter here. it will correspond to first and third letter here, A. So from here I'm getting AC is equal to A. Check. Next, these two angles are equal. That is, angle A is equal to angle A. Get the angle corresponding to angle A. A is first letter here. This corresponds to first letter. So angle A is equal to angle A. So all my three conditions are met. So this over here is the congruence statement, right? So SAS congruence rule. But now we are not done. What do we have to show? BC is equal to D. So get the side corresponding to BC from the congruence statement. So what is BC over here? Second and third letter. This will correspond to second and third letter here. What is second and third letter here? D. So we have therefore BC corresponds to second and third letter here, that is DE. What is the reason? CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles, which is exactly what we wanted. So hence proved. So as you can see, it was a pretty easy question, right? So don't get confused by the figure. Just go step by step. The first step is mark what is given to you. Now we have to show BC is equal to DE. The only way we can show that is if I show triangles which have them as the sides to be congruent. So identify a triangle which has BC as a side, triangle ABC. Identify a triangle with D as a side, triangle AD. Now I want to show these two triangles as congruent. So I need minimum 3 corresponding parts. So it's already given to me. See, AB is given to be equal to AD, 1 corresponding side. AC is equal to A, 2 corresponding sides. Now when 2 corresponding sides are equal, what do I need? The included angle, right? So what is the included angle over here? This. What is the included angle over here? This. So what is this angle? It is this angle plus this angle. Similarly, what is this angle? This plus this. Why am I taking this angle? We want the included angle between the 2 corresponding sides. So between these 2 corresponding sides, this is the corresponding angle, included angle. Between these 2 corresponding sides, this is the included angle. So this angle is this plus this angle is this plus this, which I've wrote over here. So these 2 angles match, not a problem. What about these 2 angles? These 2 angles are equal. Why? It is given to me. So I can replace angle EAC by angle BAD. So if you notice in these 2 equations, these 2 angles match, these 2 angles also match. So in these 2 equations, since the right hand side is the same, left hand side has to be the same. So angle BAC is equal to angle DAE, which is nothing but the included angle. So in these 2 triangles, 2 corresponding sides are equal and the included angle is also equal. So by SAS criteria they are congruent. Get the side corresponding to BC. BC is second and third letter here. It corresponds to second and third letter here, that is D. So BC is equal to D, CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles, hence proved. So the main concept over here is we have to prove triangles which have BC and D as a side congruent. Now already 2 corresponding sides are given to me. That means I have to use SAS criteria. For SAS criteria, I need the included angle to be equal. Look for the included angle and see how it works out. So included angles over here, it is this plus this. So these 2 angles are equal, this is the common part. So it's equal, like I've shown over here, right? So by SAS criteria, the 2 triangles are congruent, hence by CPCT, BC is equal to D, right? So this is how you solve this question. So never ever get scared by the figure, just follow the process, you'll definitely get the answer.